What's up, friends? Today I'm here to tell you about the change in Latitude Getaways. I can't wait to give you the update. Stay tuned. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. I, nor my brokerage, is affiliated with LMWS, Minto Communities, or Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Welcome into your Change in Latitude Getaway. This is a full immersive experience into the level 55 and up lifestyle and active adult community that is Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. You get to stay your choice of 2 or 3 nights in a beautiful cottage right in town square. So you get all of the activities, the concerts, the restaurant, the full experience of what it might be like to live here on Panama City Beach in this beautiful community. And if you ever think you might possibly move in, you're going to need me with you when you check in to even your getaway to have future representation. Can't wait to see you soon. So for more information, you can look in the description below. I've got the link there for you so that you can check out a getaway for yourself. All right, I'm gonna go back to enjoying the beautiful Gulf. Bye.